Though COVID is winding down in Taiwan, the seasonal flu is staging a comeback.
According to the CDC, last week Taiwan reported 8 flu patients with severe symptoms, 4 of whom died from the disease. Let's hear from the CDC.
我们今天公布了4例的流感重症死亡的个案，那年龄到从30几岁到80几岁。
Today we're reporting on 4 deaths of patients with severe symptoms of the seasonal flu. Their ages ranged from the 30s to the 80s. The youngest case was a man in his 30s residing in Northern Taiwan. He had a history of chronic diabetes. He was infected in late January. At the beginning, he had just a fever and a cough. But 3 days later, he developed rapid and shallow breathing and a high fever. After being admitted to the hospital, he had severe pneumonia in both lungs and developed a bacterial infection while in the hospital. We'd like to remind people with chronic illnesses, especially people with conditions that are difficult to manage, to get vaccinated against the seasonal flu.
The 4 patients that died had all been infected by the influenza A virus subtype H3N2. The CDC says people at high risk of severe symptoms, such as people with chronic illnesses and older adults, should get their flu shots as soon as possible.